What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted. Links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're taking a look at Polygon here, and as you can see, basically what we said did come to fruition in yesterday's video, where essentially we did say that if Bitcoin continues to roll over and we can't break this resistance that we have been stuck under for Polygon here, you can see that we have been stuck under it and we have rolled over basically to some of the levels that we did talk about. As we said perfectly actually in yesterday's video, we might add that we did say that if we do roll over and break down below this 93 cent level of support, then we would probably see a pickup at around this 86 cent level here, where we have got this previous area of structure. And as you can see, it does look as though we have pretty much bounced perfectly at that level there. Oh my god, too many red lines. So we will basically just draw that in so you can see. So it does look as though Polygon is continuing to roll over underneath this resistance that it has been under here. And this is obviously because Bitcoin has essentially just been ranging and slowly going up and down. It's currently around 32.5k, I believe, and that's one of the reasons why we think that Polygon has been struggling so much. Obviously, Polygon is a really good project in our opinion, but it did get very overextended, and there was an absolutely euphoric rally, wasn't there? I mean, this is just absolutely insane, and you know, it's paying for that now because it's getting that big correction in this bearish period we're having in the market, and a lot of people are losing faith in selling and, you know, FOMOing out of the market because they think that they're going to lose all their money, Polygon's going to zero, etc. You know, it's the usual stuff when we're in a bearish market, right? Or at least a bearish period of the market. Everyone starts losing their minds, basically saying that everything's going to go to zero, and they start shouting on Twitter saying all of our videos are pointless and all, you know, all that good stuff. Obviously, we're going to keep making videos no matter what, because we do want to keep providing daily updates for everyone that wants them, and there is a lot of people calling for daily updates for Polygon, Ethereum, VeChain, etc. So we will continue to provide them, and we will continue to basically say what we see. We're not going to, you know, we're not going to be coming through here telling you, you know, moon boy stuff like we're going to reverse straight out of here tomorrow and go to $10, because obviously that's not going to happen. We're just going to tell you what we see on the charts, and obviously if the charts are good, then the charts are good, and if the charts are not so good, then we're just looking at the data and telling you what we see basically. And what we see is, until we break this resistance for Polygon, we are going to keep rolling over. And basically we're just taking a look here at these levels of support. You can see level of support here. This is where we basically came down. We said yesterday that we would bounce at around this 86 cent level if we do break down below the 93 cent level, and we did here. As you can see, we came down. Obviously everyone got super scared and we wicked down and touched this 86 cent level pretty much perfectly here. And now we've had a little bit of a relief rally, and we're now probably just gonna, you know, we're gonna have to make this decision at some point, aren't we? Are we just gonna keep rolling over underneath this resistance all the way down to 50 cents, 40 cents, or are we gonna see Polygon break this resistance and start to chop sideways and get some strength again? Because obviously things have been super bearish recently for Polygon in general, but the market itself isn't looking too bad. I mean, Bitcoin's showing signs of life. The stochastic RSI for Bitcoin is looking quite bullish. The MACD is starting to turn bullish. There's a big bullish divergence for Bitcoin on the daily time frame. The momentum to the downside is losing strength on the RSI. All the whales are accumulating at these prices. Loads and loads of big Bitcoin holders continue to buy at these prices. So we're only really waiting for one big sentiment shift in the market for, you know, us to get really big moves to the upside. So how long is Polygon going to continue to roll over is the question. And from what we can tell, I mean, we're getting quite oversold, aren't we? On our daily time frame here, you can see on our RSI, our price action is going down and down and down and down. If we do hit into these oversold levels, we could be looking at a decent bounce pretty soon. As you can see, the last time that we got oversold was here, and then we did pick up, chop sideways a bit, back test, and then obviously this huge run up. This was essentially in November last year when Polygon was at around 1 cent. So clearly, absolutely insane gains have been made since then, and we did need a cooling off period in reality. And that's what we're getting right now. I mean, we're at around $2.70, weren't we? And now we're down around 66% from there. But I mean, Polygon's performing quite well in comparison to a lot of altcoins. There's a lot of altcoins that are down 70, 80, even 90% right now. Been absolutely crushed in this recent correction. And it looks as though Polygon, I mean, it's holding pretty well, isn't it? A lot of people are saying we're going to zero, but we're just having a bit of a corrective phase. And sooner or later, this phase is going to end because we are in a bull market, and we'll continue to say we're in a bull market until we see otherwise. So taking a quick look at the weekly time frame here, you can see that we have finally come down for Polygon to start testing the 20 moving average here on the weekly time frame, which does show just how ridiculous this price action was. I mean, look at this chart. This is absolutely insane. We've ran quite literally from 2 cents to do $2.70 in the space of, what is this, 6 months, 5 months, almost 6 months. So clearly crazy price action. So it was clear that we needed a bit of a cooling off period, really, if we wanted to see any hope of continuation in the future, because you can't continue like this without a significant period of consolidation. And you know, we've got this big blow off top, haven't we? Look at this blow off top here. How much is this, just for argument's sake? Is that 35%? Almost a 40% blow off top. Obviously absolutely mad, that is. And we're having that corrective period now, aren't we, on our weekly time frame here? And we're retesting our 20 moving average. We're retesting support. There's nothing wrong with this app whatsoever. And as we keep saying, we could come all the way down here to, you know, 55, 60 cents. I'm not saying that we have to, but I'm saying we could come down all the way down here to around 60 cents, back test this as support, and then continue off to the races. And nothing would be amiss in our opinion. We'd just be back testing support. We have got ridiculously overextended here. And as you can see, we will continue to roll over until Bitcoin shows those signs of life that we're looking for. So as we said, just be careful with Polygon. Obviously, everyone's expecting Polygon to go to zero, but we do think it will continue to roll over if we do continue to see the pattern that we're looking at here. As we said, we have bounced here at around this 86 cent level. But if we do roll over in the market, do anticipate we could come down to the 75 cent level, or maybe even further than this, down to this 68 cent level here. And then obviously if we lose that level of support as well, the next level will be at around this 53, 54 cent level, which would probably coincide well with that weekly EMA, that weekly 55 EMA here as well, which is slowly starting to creep up as support as well. So we could come down all the way down to here, back test this, and then pick up and start to move to the upside, and we'd still be in a bull market. So no sign of a bear market right now is what we're trying to say, guys. It's quite clear to us. A lot of people are like, we're in a bear market. You know, Bitcoin's dropped more than 50%, so we're in a bear market. It's like, when you look at the charts, you just don't see it. All the previous signs of bull markets are being respected. We're holding support for Bitcoin, and then when Bitcoin does eventually get that reversal to the upside, which does seem more and more likely when you look at all the data to suggest that that's the case, we will see Polygon picking up as well. So just a quick price prediction for Polygon then. For the short term, as we said, being stuck under this resistance is sucking right now for Polygon, and it will continue to roll over until it breaks this resistance. So now that we've got this bounce off the low here, we do need to see Polygon come up and test this again. If it could break out of it like this, back test it as support, and then maybe chop down a bit more and then start to break to the upside like this would be the ideal scenario. But until we break this resistance, we will keep rolling over. So if we do come up to this and fail to break it, do anticipate that we could come down and roll lower here to this 75 cent level, especially if Bitcoin does start to roll as well. But I mean, as we kept saying, we do think that Polygon is going to do very well by the end of this bull run. If we just take a quick look at some Fibonacci extensions here from this swing low that we did see at 75 cents, we are basically looking at, you know, on our Fibonacci extension here over our 161, we're looking at that price target of around $10 per Polygon, and maybe even more, depending on how overextended we get into the rest of the bull run. So That's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.